Huawei Mate X5. Chipset Kirin 9000S, CPU Octa-core, Maleoon 910 GPU. RAM 16GB, 12GB, storage 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. Hybrid dual SIM 5G. Display 7.85 inches, OLED, 1B colors, 120Hz refresh rate, resolution 2224 by 2496 pixels. Cover display 6.4 inches, OLED, 120Hz refresh rate, resolution 1080 by 2504 pixels. Main camera 50 megapixel, wide camera 12 megapixel, periscope telephoto camera 13 megapixel, ultra-wide camera. Video recording 4K. Selfie camera, 8 megapixel, wide camera, cover camera. 8 megapixel, wide camera, video recording 4K. Battery capacity, 5060 mAh charging, 66 watts wired, 50 watts wireless, 7.5 watts, reverse wireless. OS, HarmonyOS 4.0. Weight 245 grams, 5.3 millimeters thickness. IPX8, dust/water resistant. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, 3.1, NFC, GPS, headphone jack, USB Type-C,